Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to remove your finger insert from your bowling ball. I'm also going to have another video on how to install as well, but for this one it's just remove. So you don't need any special tools, just use a flathead driver, and what you want to do is find a space where there's not glue and put your screwdriver in there, and you want to pry away from the outs, like the drill basically. So you want to pry towards the middle. Don't use the outside of the grip as like your leverage, or you're going to damage your drill basically. So basically what you need to do is just put the screwdriver in and work it around like this, and just basically you're just going to tear out all the glue pretty much. So keep working it around, just be patient with it. And again, you want to pry towards the middle. So basically you want to just keep pushing the insert of your grip towards the middle so you can just open up the entire hole. So my particular grip had two spots where there was glue, so here's the second side working it off. Once you've got it all worked off like that, then you can just pull the grip out. So if you can get it out with your finger, just pull it as hard as you can and slip it out, because the holes are pretty tight for these grips. And if you can't get it, don't worry about it. Just take your flathead, put it in like this, and just get needle nose pliers, and you can pull it out that way. So easy enough if you can't get it out with your finger because they're pretty snug in there. And then basically what you want to do after that is just take your screwdriver and try and scrape out carefully as much of the residue from the old grip as you can. If you have a bevel sander, you could use that as well. And that's what the pro shops use, just to clear it out. And then once you've done that, just vacuum up all the dust and grime, and then basically we'll go to the next video. I'll have a link in the description on how to install a new finger grip or insert. If you have any questions, let me know below, and thanks for watching.